Red pepper, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet, tomato. To put in the onion first. This one fry up. Pepper and the garlic. You have flavor. You have a nice little flavor. Nice food, huh? Good Jamaican style food. Fry up. Kind of cook fry. Deep fry. And let's say what you want. Just cut up my spinach. So I'm going to put it in there. Steam. Quick. This is my mackerel. So I'm going to use my cut and cut the mackerel now. Like this. Guys, steaming up nicely. Plus this one cooking. Here, this is the mackerel. Butter cook. See, this is a big chunky jack mackerel. Yes, guys, sharing out time now. Sharing out time. It's a sharing out time. Sharing no time, it's a sharing no time. Banana skin. Banana hot. See there, guys. Fish ready to eat. Come on, eat with me, guys. I'm gonna share my food with you, okay? I'm gonna use a different spoon. This one. Share my fish. So fish here and there now. Fish, little of this, a little of that, a little of this, and a little of that. Now share the fish. Here get a piece of fish. There with some